This property is a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. The list price has recently been reduced to $447,000. Interior features of this property include a separate laundry room, wood flooring, a recreation or bonus room, a formal dining room, an eat-in kitchen, a partly finished basement, and a family room. On the outside, this property features an attached garage and a swimming pool. Community amenities include a swimming pool, a community clubhouse, and a bicycle or walking path.